What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, ItzMadridBruhh. Hey, and I would like y'all to let me know how my video is. Give a big like, subscribe if you would like. I would mostly appreciate that. But this video right here that I'm about to show y'all consists of 2 matches. Both of them ends in a 1v5. My team folds on me, and you know your boy had to come in with the clutch, only using a pistol, and get that W. So I want y'all to let me know what y'all think. Comments, you know, share it to your friends, your family, do whatever you gotta do. But at the end of the day, still gonna be making videos. I'm about to start off strong and hopefully end off strong. But leave a big like again, subscribe. I would gladly appreciate it, and see you on the next video. Yeah.
Shit.
For application? Application?
Application?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I didn't like that one.
Application.
Tyler does. He's been fired from KFC at least 6 times already.
Huh?
I said, you need a job application. You've been fired from KFC 6 times already.
Oh, man.
I think I have a UAV. I do. I'll save it for next game.
Oh yeah, daddy.
You're the last one. Watch your eyes.
Did you get a one-shot 2 kill? Oh, okay. This map's not very good.
Cruise missile, go for launch.
Hey, when it's like, hey,
You
it's coming to
mounting on fucking
they're,
pistol.
hey, they're coming to B right now. So one more, Eric, one more. He just went back.
Behind you.
Less than
I
a minute.
know.
Fuck.
Got a VTOL on station, ready to deploy. Seconds. Time's up. Move your asses.
What are you trying to do? Shoot him in the toe?
Took that bomb and did.
Bombs away.
I
On
think
to
that
the
was
next
an
round.
ace. Was that an ace?
That was an ace. It's called a drop off. What you talking about?
You guys are so good. Can I have your YouTube channel?
I know you are.
Bro, what you mean?
This is where we get our money at right here when we play
Oh,
the
so
bomb.
good. I brought out thermites
Target
just so I
sighted.
could shield
Get to the
bitch.
bomb and move in.
I'm saving my thermites. I thought I'm gonna be getting around, but I'm saving them.
We have the bomb. Move.
Oh, bro.
Camping in the goddamn corner.
Man, we getting fucked up now.
Yeah, I'm getting killed right now.
Oh, behind me. Damn, I didn't know you died, Mello.
Yeah, nah, bro. I don't know how my C4 didn't get him. He's right
Go
here,
ahead,
bro.
Dave. Go ahead. Kill it. Oh, never mind.
Complete the mission,
Oh,
soldier.
yeah.
You're the only one left.
Oh, behind you.
Shut the fuck up.
On top
front
of
of
the
you.
roof. There is one going to your right. Oh, there's
he
a couple
knows.
over there.
How you know?
Leave it up.
Here we go. Eric's gonna 1v5 with the pistol again.
Less than a minute.
Two, three. Where to go?
No, bro, please, I'm begging you.
Man, he's nervous as fuck.
That boy sweat.
You can't do it.
Oh, the left dude that came in was in that building. Oh, he's in that building right
Time's
now.
up. Move your
Let's
asses.
start opening the door.
UAV entering the AO.
Hot boy.
Hey,
Grab
missed
the
the
bomb.
bomb.
Let's go.
You got 15.
Planting the bomb. Secure the area.
Be advised, go for
bomb has been
You in
planted.
this egg, I'll never talk shit to you again.
That's a lie.
That's a
That's a
lie.
big lie.
That's definitely a lie. You still
I feel like
ass,
you
but go
beat
ahead and
us.
do it.
That boy Eric sweating, bro. His heart jumping. That boy nervous. Nervous as fuck. That's why he ain't talking.
That boy gotta get the towel.
I know he do. You gotta get the towel.